टेंशन नहीं तो घर नहीं छोड़ियो। हाँ।
Hey everyone, a very good evening to you guys. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. Let everyone join the session, then we'll start the session. And guys, one more thing, if you are having any doubt related to any topic, just let me know. Actually, I'm covering all the fundamentals first so that you guys can do the project also, that we have to do in the next week, right? So that is why I'm covering each and everything step by step, like it's an ABC of the web development. That is your HTML, CSS, and I'll cover up JavaScript as well. Okay, uh, I'll cover JavaScript part that is necessary in our project, right? So first you need to learn how to use the properties, as I said before, right? Properties are there, abbreviations are there, like uh, so many elements are there, right? How to use it, and the values you guys can directly search it on the Google as well. So if you are having any doubt, just ask me in the live lecture or in the chat section, or you guys can text me in the WhatsApp group as well. I'm here to help you out only. Okay, like we can learn basics from anywhere, right? But the main point is how to create, how to use those properties or things or data, right, in our daily projects. That's the main thing. That is why I'm here to help you out. Okay, so if you're having any doubt, just ask me in the chat section or directly just by unmuting your mic, or after the session you guys can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Is that okay? Like for an example, I'm learning English grammar, right? English grammar is available at every, like at Google also, in CBSE books also, in JP books also, in every, like it's available everywhere. Concept is the basic thing, na? That is everywhere. Like that is same everywhere. So that's why I'm teaching you all these things, just to make your base strong, right? So that you guys can do the project easily. So just ask me the doubt clearly. So let's wait for 1 more minute, then we'll start the session. All right, guys, let's start the session now. Like here we talking about the CSS pagination, right? So to create pagination for a page is quite simple, right? You just need to add few things over here, the numbers, the characters, right? Or the arrows. So you can do that by using Bootstrap also, like JavaScript, and simplest way is the HTML thing and CSS, right? So because pagination, we can say, is helpful when the website contains a lot of content in a like on a single page, right? So that a single page will not look good with all those topics together. So few websites use the scroll to avoid pagination. Like in our project, we're gonna use the scroll bar, right? Uh, but instead of scroll bar, you guys can use the pagination also. Okay, but we can say the best like looks come with the combination of scroll and the pagination. As a developer, like we can put a few content on a page to make that page a little scrollable until it's like annoying, right? So let's go for it. First thing in pagination is your uh, creating structure. Okay, second thing is your, we can say, uh, designing structure. Okay, like guys, creating structure means you just have to create the basic website structure of the pagination, right? And also you have to attach the title attribute so the user can know like what will be the content type of the like on the next page of the pagination is. Okay, and if we talk about this designing structure, so here you just have to create the structure of the basic website where you are going to use the CSS. Okay, and third thing is your combination of, or we can say it's a combination of HTML and CSS code. Okay, this is pagination in 3 steps. Okay,
Yes, sir.
just hold on a sec. Oh, right, first of all, let's talk about the head. uh, in head we can say, let's write uh, title, like pagination using HTML and CSS. Okay, now let's go for the style. Okay, so here we can say take H1, color green, This is header styling. Then comes your pagination, position styling. Let's create a class. Pagination section, right? Okay. Position is absolute. Top, let's take 500 pixel. Right, let's take 250, 40 pixel. Okay. Pagination styling. Let's take section R. Okay. Here color is black. Padding is your 10 pixel, 18 pixel. I'm gonna take two less than this for the, instead of 20 I took 18 pixel. Then text decoration, that's your none. Hmm. Pagination effect on non-active, right? Then R over not, and let's say it's active, not active. Okay. Hmm. Then I'm gonna take background color, it's hash 031 F3B.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, what does the position absolute indicates? Means where the position would be applied in the web page.
I already told you about the position stuff. You didn't get that thing? Have you gone through all the recorded section? Just let me know. It's all about the CSS, not the HTML one. So that's why I'm asking this.
Through position relative and
Just let me
absolute.
know who's this. Who's on the line? Just let me know.
It's myself, Abhijit.
Okay, Abhijit. So Abhijit, we can say you have you gone through all the recorded sections? Just let me know first.
Yes.
Okay. So there I explained like position absolute. Like we can say it's a positioned relative to the nearest position ancestor, right? Instead of position relative to the viewport, like it's fixed, right? That's the absolute position, like position absolute in CSS.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
no problem.
Yeah, I got it.
Yep. So now let's move ahead along with this code. Here I just wrote the background color ID. It's non-active, right? Here let's add color also. Color for the text, it's white. Okay. Now pagination over effect on active. So here nth child 5. Okay. Here what we can say, the background color is the same thing. It's green. Okay. And let's say mm, let's add font. Font weight here it's bold, and in the 7th child font weight is also, sometimes it won't work. Still I'm using this. Okay. So it's, sorry, it's off. Okay. Then I'm gonna create class content margin of 50 pixel, then padding of let's say 15 pixel, and width is 700 pixel. Hmm, height of 150, 17. Okay, let's take 200 pixel. Border is 2 pixel, solid black. Style close, head close. Now let's open the body element. So here In center, I'm gonna add h1. It's CSS pagination. Okay. Now I'm gonna close h1. Web development. Web development batch. Okay. Now actually we can say this one is your uh, uh, add comment, header and slogan. We can say CSS is header and slogan is your web development. After center, we can write this content in the section. Div class content. Okay. h3 this is remark skills web development batch March to April. Okay. 2021. Actually, we can write this as an article. Or content. Okay. Okay. Then article close. Hmm, div close. Then let's open pagination elements. section. Okay. Here, a reference hash. It's for the demo, as I said, right? Then previous okay. तीन 4 5 6 7 Sorry, any doubt? Any doubt till now? Just let me know. If no, then just write it in the chat section. If there is no doubt, okay. So here, I'm gonna add title also. Algorithm. Let's say 1. So algorithm, data structure, then languages, then let's say Python, and let's say practical. Okay. Here, let's close div. CSS pagination, web development batch, our content. This is pagination. Let's check out this thing. Here it's not working. You guys can write this also, and you can use the different editors also, right? This is a basic one, HTML, the notepad, right? That's why it's looking like this. The previous 1 2 3 4 5, and there is no hovering effect. Here I use the this nth child 5, nth child 1, nth child 7, right? Now what is the meaning of nth child? Anyone want to give it a try? Guys, actually, anyone want to give a try? Let's take this as A. Let's try this out. Mhm. Mhm. It's working here, right? Um, yes. Now let me explain it to you. Like, what is nth child, right? Guys, it's a, we can say, pseudo class selector that allows you to select elements based on their index, like we can say index or source order inside the container. So you can pass uh, a positive number or as an, like as an argument to nth child, right? As I used here. So a nth child was this 5, a nth child 1, a nth child 7, right? And what else we can say? It's a child selector that is used to match all the elements which are child of a specified element, right? Like the best editor, you having Mac or Windows? Okay. Otherwise, we are having text editor software like this Notepad. We are having it, right? Brackets we are having, right? And NetBeans you guys can use for Mac and Windows also, right? So guys, like Visual Studio Code is probably the best option. Like Visual Studio Code, right? Like for both like the Mac and the Windows also. Komodo is there, right? It's up to you. Like as per the requirement, you guys can use the editors. So is that okay till now? Just let me know. That's how we
Yes,
create the
sir.
definition. Hmm. These are the things. Guys, I gave you few examples also about the paginations in the previous task, right? Now let's create this pagination with the arrow. Now the different way to create like an active or current link and hoverable pagination. In that case, I'm going to write one more code for you. Okay. And just hold on a second, guys. Okay. And I'm gonna add border as well, like how just the rounded borders. Okay. And what else we can say? And space between pagination. This is the code. So let's start with this pagination title header. Now here I'm gonna add this is the one way. Now the second way is, let's say another, let's pagination. Okay. Here let's say display inline block. Okay. And padding we guys can add up to 0. Margin you will pagination list item. It's display inline. Okay. Now your pagination LIA